How to add a permalink on your WordPress website with cPanel. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a permalink on your WordPress website post that you're creating. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up any of the post that you're creating on WordPress website. So I am writing this blog post right here and I need to add a permalink to my post right here. So this is our panel right here that we get with our post that when we are creating it. And now to add a permalink, what you have to do is just scroll down and you will find the permalink option right here. Click on permalink, and now what you need to do is you just need to add the URL for your post and a permalink right here, a slug. The last part of the URL is going to be this. You can also get a preview of your URL. So this is right now what it says, but if you want to change it, you can just go ahead and type in whenever you want. I can actually type in the name of my post if I like to, and you can see now my URL is changing here. You can see this is like my website URL, and then we have how to lose weight, and this is actually the topic for my blog that I'm writing. So this is how we just changed the URL. If I click on enter, now my URL has been changed, and if I go to preview, I will be able to see my permalink for my post that I'm creating on WordPress website. So this is how you can also go ahead and add a permalink to your WordPress website post. It's really easy to do and literally takes 1 second. So once you have added it, then you will have your own permalink for your post. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.